What's going on, everybody? Ercan with Suds to Success podcast. We got another quick tip video for you today. How to clean the wheels. It's one of those areas where people just getting started off, or maybe you've been in it a while. I can't get the wheels clean. We're going to show you how to do it perfectly this time. So what we're going to do, we're just going to give it a quick pre-rinse. Make sure you always spray the floor before you spray the car. Perfect. We're going to let a lot of that water just drip down for a sec. I'll explain to you what we got in this foamer. We got an IK foamer. What's in it is DIY All Clean diluted 15:1. Make sure you're diluting chemicals as the product says to. Andrew will make fun of me for it, but I learned that the hard way. Honestly, chemicals work a lot better properly diluted, so especially for wheel cleaning, DIY All Clean, it's got to be my favorite product. So a lot of that water has dripped down now. We're gonna grab the foamer. I like this product because it goes on everything. Wheel liners, tires. Tire washer's going off, we got a little leak. But then make sure you get the barrels. Perfect. What we've got in this bucket is a bunch of different tools and brushes. We got a little bit of PNS Pearl, just for some added lubricity. What we're gonna go in first is the Easy Detail brush. I love this brush. It lets me get behind the wheels, the spokes, and everything, and get all the way to the back. My handle broke as much as I used it, so I need a new one, but go behind. Now, I've used this brush on a bunch of different wheel types, wheel faces, everything. So gloss black, chrome, whatever, you name it, I've used it. Doesn't scratch it, doesn't leave it oxidized, I guess you could say. We got another soft green brush. I like to use it for these spokes. Got some soap on me. And then I just go like this. Perfect. Then we're gonna grab our little detail brush. Go on the lug nuts and emblems, and then I like to do the tire valve as well. And then we're gonna grab it's like a mini wash mitt for the wheels. I like it because you can put your hand and get behind the spokes and everything. So we're just gonna do the face real quick. Now, the reason why I love All Clean and Pearl mixed in, just the lubricity. Everything's gliding, nothing's really catching on. It smells good, it works well, and it always leaves the wheel and tire amazing. So we're gonna do that. Oh, forgot to do behind the spokes. So we're gonna go behind the spokes. Now, thankfully, we're washing inside of a shop, so product isn't drying too fast. If you're using it outside, just move quicker. So that's done. We're gonna grab our tire brush, if I can find it. And then always have a clean tire brush. This is the best advice I ever learned. And then we're just gonna scrub it. I'm good to go. Then I use this, might be a little controversial. It's used for barrels, but I don't like it. It doesn't really bend or anything, so I use it for this painted surfaces right here on that edge. And then we're gonna grab, so this is carpeted wheel liner. Unfortunately, there's a few ways you can clean it. Brushing, power washing, turbo nozzle, whatever. I like to just brush it and just power wash it. I don't really go too crazy unless it's muddy tires or muddy trucks and stuff. Give it a quick brush. Perfect. Now you see how dirty that is. I'm not even gonna put that back in the bucket for now. And then we're all done. Give it a quick rinse off. Perfect. You can see that wheel's already starting to shine. And we're gonna take our glove real quick. Nothing's coming up, no brake dust, nothing. We're gonna go behind here, all down here, nothing. So perfectly clean. So we went ahead and did the rest of the wash. We did all the wheels and tires and the rest of it. Now it's time for our final touch, which is our DIY detail tire dressing. Really like this product. I've used a lot of tire shines before. This one's super easy to come off. If it's repeat customers that you're doing, just get this tire dressing. It's honestly the best. We use a green soft brush just to apply the dressing. We're gonna give a few sprays. We're gonna lather it up on there. Might need a little bit more. These tires, unfortunately, are a little rotted out, but they're going bad, so we're just going to use a little bit more, try and get it looking as best as we can. You can use applicator pads. There's different types of applicators. I like the brush just because usually out in the county we're doing either SUVs or trucks. Unless we get like a low profile BMW tire, we'll use an applicator pad, but for the most part this is what we're applying it with. Make sure we don't miss a spot because it'll show. And I really like the brush because you can get this without really moving the tire. So I have a clean towel with a little bit of rinseless wash on it. I'm just gonna clean up the edges if I got any on there. Some on there. A little bit of water. And that's it. As you can tell, this wheel looks amazing, shiny. Customer's gonna pick it up, all the wheel liners clean. Tires are shined and it's protected, ready to go. Now the wheel and tire are all perfect. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tip videos coming your way.